ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयम् नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Fifth chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna had asked a question: should I follow path of knowledge, renunciation, or should I follow the path of action, karma yoga or karma sannyasa? Bhagavan said both the paths are leading to one goal, one destination only. Only ignorant people think that path of renunciation and path of action both are different. Only ignorant people, childish people, they think like that. Otherwise, both, if you follow one thoroughly, one karma yoga or karma sannyasa, if you follow one thoroughly, you will be at your destination, moksha. Now, Bhagwan says we should follow karma yoga first and then go for sannyasa. So, karma yoga in simple sentence it is karma yoga means doing all the actions God centered, not I centered, God centered action. I am working, earning money, not for me, for God. Then, how do I utilize? How much part of that money I utilize? Different thing. So, karma yoga, God centered action. Or when I do any action, I remember God. Or without attachment, I do actions. Or I give up the result of action to God. Anyway, karma yoga you can put. Important thing is God centered action. So now we are moving further. Sannyasastु mahabaho दुःखमाप्तुमयो गतः योगयुक्तो मुनिर्ब्रह्म न चिरेणाधिगच्छति। संन्यासस्तु महाबाहो दुःखमाप्तुमयो गतः योगयुक्तो मुनिर्ब्रह्म न चिरेणाधिगच्छति। संन्यासः तु महाबाहो दुःखम आप्तुम अयोगतः योगयुक्तः मुनिः ब्रह्म नचिरेण अधिगच्छति। ब्रह्म नचिरेण अधिगच्छति। विग्रह अन्वय now. हे महाबाहो, महाबाहो word came for Arjuna. हे महाबाहो, ayogatah means person who have not practiced karma yoga. Such person sannyasah to dukham aptum. This sannyasa is going to give him sorrow. If you have not done enough practice of karma yoga, God centered action, then if you straight go for sannyasa, it is going to give you trouble. It is dukkhamaptum. And one who is controlled mind, offering all the results to God, not at all shaken by any karma phala, yoga yuktaha. That person is entitled with munihi. Na chirena Brahma adhigacchati. He will become Brahma. Rather, he will understand he is Brahma. More clear, he will understand he is infinite. More clear, he will understand he is creation, body, the Chaitanya inside the body, everything he is. That he will understand if he has practiced Karma Yoga thoroughly, nicely. Now, beautiful analogies and everything. जो युक्ति पंथे पार्था चढे मोक्ष पर्वता तो महासुखाचा निमथा वहिला पावे जो युक्तिपंथे पार्था चढे मोक्ष पर्वता तो महासुखाचा निमथा वहिला पावे जो a person Yukti Panthe Partha. Yukti Pantha means Yukta means endowed with controlled mind, habit of offering all the action and results of action to the God. That is called Yukta person. The definition of Yukta is going to come in sixth chapter, if I am not wrong. Yukta karma phalam tyaktva shanti mapnoti naishtikim. So, person who is following the path of action Chade Moksha Parvata, he is going to reach, climbed, complete the mission on the mountain of liberation. And what is there in Moksha Moksha? To Maha Sukhacha Nimatha Vahila Pave. He is going to reach to the pinnacle of infinite joy. Mahasukha Brahmananda, Paramananda, Atmananda, Vahila Pave. Immediately he is going to reach there. So he is following path of Karma Yoga. He is going to reach, climbed Moksha Parvata, and there he is going to enjoy the pinnacle of Parabrahma, that too fast. Okay, those who are not yogi, yukta yogi, they don't follow or they don't have practiced enough this karma yoga. What about them? Yera yoga sthiti jaya sande to vaya chiga havyasi pade परे प्राप्ति कही न घड़े सन्यासाची येरा योग स्थिते जया सांडे तो वाया चिगा हव्यासी पड़े परिप्राप्ति कही न घड़े संन्यासाची येरा one who has not been following karma yoga yoga sthiti jaya sande this karma yoga he has given up. He thinks this knowledge of the path of knowledge is very good, I'll go for that, and he takes sannyas. Vayachi havyasi pade, there is attachment towards sannyas. See, sannyasa means we should be detached from all the threats which are pulling us back. But there is attachment towards this sannyasa. And externally he becomes sannyasi. He has not practiced karma yoga thoroughly. Bhagavan says, forget about sannyas also. Real sannyasi he won't be. That's what happened today, nowadays. We find a sannyasi who is doing scam. So actually he is not sannyasi who is doing scam. He is a scammer who has become sannyasi. So we have to understand these things that unless you, this see, Shastra is very clear. They have given us clear cut map, road map. If you are not following that and you are suddenly ending up in sannyasa because you are going to get big position, big ashram, and you can have your survival on that. People are going to come and break coconut in front of you. They are going to offer you garland. Those things are attracting nowadays towards sannyasa. If such person is there, Havyasi he is fatuated, infatuated by that. Fascinated is the correct word. प्राप्ति कहीं न घड़े सन्यासाची. He will never get sannyas. Real sannyas, the internal sannyas plus external sannyas. He won't get. Then about karma yogi. Yoga yukto vishuddhatma विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते योगयुक्तः विशुद्ध आत्मा विजित आत्मा जित इंद्रियः सर्वभूतात्म भूतात्मा kurvan api na lipyate. This is the biggest concept of Bhagavad Gita, Bhagwan Krishna. Let us unfold it. Yoga yuktaha, one who is having controlled, one who has been doing karma yoga, yoga yukta. Then Vishuddhatma, here Atma doesn't mean soul. There is no pure soul, impure soul. All souls are thoroughly pure. They are they are the only purest thing on this world, on this earth. Vishuddha Atma, very pure mind. Pure mind means pious thoughts. Pious thoughts means where non-hurting thoughts are there. My thoughts, my action doesn't hurt anyone. Pious thought which doesn't have confusion. Vishuddhatma, Vijitatma, who has won over the mind. Whatever he says, mind will do that. Not whatever mind says, he will do. Other way. Jitendriya, Jita Indriya, conquered all the sense organs. All the sense organs. So if mind says, I want jalebi, tongue will say, I don't want. That much more than mind control is there over sense organs. Sarva Bhuta Atma Bhutatma. He has understood I am the self of all human beings and he is doing karma. Such person kurvannapi na lipyate. He is not troubled or tainted by any action or result of actions. जेणे भ्रांतिपासुनी हिरतले गुरुवाक्य मन धुतले मग आत्मस्वरूपी घातले हिरा हरवनिया जेणे भ्रांतिपासुनी हिरतले गुरुवाक्ये मन धुतले मग आत्मस्वरूपी घातले हरवनिया whose mind is Bhranti Haratale, free from delusion, wrong thinking, wrong notion, free from that. Guru Vakye Man Dhutale, one who has cleansed his mind. How? Guru Vakye, by Guru's words. Mind is purified. All impurities have gone once and for all. And every day the cleansing process goes on. And where is the mind now? Atma Swarupi Ghatale Haravniya, and he is rooted, established in Swaswarupa. So, no delusion, pure mind, then only our mind can be stable in Atma Swarupa. Very important. Example. Can you give us example? This wire is troubling me. Okay. जैसे समुद्री लवन न पडे तव वेगळे अल्प आवडे मग होय सिंधूची एवढे मिळे तेव्हा जैसे समुद्री लवन न पडे तव वेगळे अल्प आवडे मग होय सिंधूची एवढे मिळे तेव्हा. ब्युटिफुल एक्झाम. Salt is there. That salt, before adding it to ocean, it is separate, finite. When that finite salt is added or put into the ocean, the small finite amount of salt becomes the ocean. जैसे समुद्री लवण न पडे, when it is not added. तव वेगळे, then it is separate. अल्प आवडे, it seems very individual, small, tiny thing. मग होय सिंधूची एवढे मिळे तेव्हा. मिळे तेव्हा, when it is dissolved in the water, or in fact when it became one with that salty water. सिंधूच एवढे, सिंधूचे एवढे होय. Like that. Unless we have this mind identification with the body, especially mind, we are individual, tiny fellow on this infinite earth. But once that is gone, then we are one with the infinite. In fact, I am infinite. तैसे संकल्पोनी काढिले जयाचे मनची चैतन्य जाहले तेने एकदेशीये परिव्यापिले लोकत्रय. तैसे संकल्पोनी काढिले जयाचे मनची चैतन्य जाहले तेने एकदेशीये परिव्यापिले लोकत्रय. जयाचे तैसे संकल्पोनी काढिले, नो संकल्प, नो मोर डिझायर्स, नो मोर क्रेविंग्स, नो मोर personal agendas, nothing, no sankalpa. What about mind? Manachi chaitanya zahale, mind has become consciousness. Here comes lot of thinking. I won't do it here, but it's a thinking point. If mind is consciousness, oh, first question is mind is consciousness or not? If not, how mind will become conscious? For example, this phone is jada, inert. Will at any point of time in future will this become consciousness? Never, because it is jada. Then how come manachi chaitanya jahale? How mind became consciousness? So by understanding amani bhava, there is no mind independent than chaitanya. Understanding this very fact. Manachi chaitanya jahale. Thoughts are nothing but consciousness expressing in different way. It is consciousness only. That's why it became one. That's why it understood that I am consciousness. Tene ekadeshiye, he may be in one place. Parivyapile lokatraya, one who doesn't have desires, craving, goals, personal agendas. Mind has identified its original nature. He may be in one place, but Lokatraya Vyapile, he has conquered all three worlds. आता करता कर्म करावे हे खुंटले तया स्वभावे आणि करी जेही आघवे तरी अकर्ता तो. आता करता कर्म करावे हे खुंटले तया स्वभावे आणि करी जेही आघवे तरी अकर्ता तो. आता करता कर्म कर. Now I have to do something. This is the action. Kuntale Swabhave, there is no doer. Means doer as real. Okay, there is falsified doer, Karta. But Karta has understood I am a Karta. This is how Vedanta is. This is how we have to understand the mystery of our life. अदरवाइज माया. आता करता कर्म कर, नथिंग इज देर. आई डोंट हैव बॉडी. बॉडी इज नॉट मी. हु इज डूइंग ऑल द एक्शंस? बॉडी. And who is forcing this body to do something? Desires. Desires are not there. Kartrutva, nothing is there, because ignorance is not there. Ignorance, then action, or ignorance, kartrutva, action. So nothing is there, and no karma phala. Everything done. Ani kari zari agave tari. And even though he is doing something, still he is a karta. आणि करी जरी आगवे तरी अकर्ता, तो ही इज अकर्ता. Then what all things he does but he is not doing? List, enumerated, count it. नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन् प्रलपन् विसृजन् गृह्णन् उन्मिषन् निमिषन्नपि इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्त इति धारयन्. नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यै शृण्वन् स्पृशै जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन् प्रलपन् विसृजन् गृह्णन् उन्मिषन् निमिषन्नपि इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्त इति धारयन्. न एवं किंचित करोमि इति युक्तः मन्येत तत्ववित्. What a term, what a word used for a karma yogi. पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन् प्रलपन् विसृजन् गृह्णन् उन्मिषन् निमिषन्नपि इन्द्रियाणि इन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्ते इति धारयन्. Main point is I don't do. युक्तः. युक्तः, one who is karma yogi. And another title for him, Tattvavit. Tattvavit, who is karma yogi, Pashyan, while seeing, Shrunvan, while listening, Sprushan, while touching, Jigran, while smelling, Ashnan, while eating, Gachan, while going, Swapan, while dreaming, sleeping, Shwasan, while breathing, Pralapan, while talking, Visrujan, while excreting, Grunnan, while catching, Unmishan, Nimishan, Napi, while closing and opening of the eyes. While doing all this action, what is his understanding? Indriyani, Indriya Artheshu Vartate. Indriyani, all sense organs. 10, they are interacting or transacting with the sense objects. That's all. Iti dharayan, keeping this in mind, kinchit na eva karomi iti manyate. I am not doing anything. This is his understanding, firm understanding, conviction. What kind of life he will be leading? All these things after you have done enough karma yoga. जे पार्था जे पार्थातया देही मी ऐसा आठवू नाही तरी कर्तृत्व कैचे काही उरे सांगे. जे पार्थातया देही मी ऐसा आठवू नाही तरी कर्तृत्व कैचे काही उरे सांगे. पार्था, ओ अर्जुना, तया, to such person, me ऐसा आठवू नाही. I am body. This thought is not there, because the counter thought for I am body, which is I am not body, I am Brahma, has been iterated 100 lakhs of times. There is no thought I am body. तरी कर्तृत्व कैचे उरे सांगे. Then where is the point of कर्तृत्व, doership? If doer itself is not there, where is the point of doership? For example, friend itself is not there, where is the point of question of friendship? There is no doer, so there is no nothing. ऐसे तनुत्यागे वीण अमृताचे गुण दिसती संपूर्ण योग युक्ता ऐसे तनु त्यागे विण अमृताचे गुण दिसती संपूर्ण योगयुक्ता विदाउट गिविंग अप this body, mortal body, Amurtache gun, immortal, eternal, infinite. What qualities it has? No qualities. But to communicate something, we say it is Sat Chit Ananda. Those qualities without giving up the body, it appears in him. And sometimes no. Disati Sampurna, all the time it is there. Perpetually it is there. Yoga Yukta, person who is doing Karma Yoga without giving up this body, all the qualities of bodiless spirit that is there in him. एरवी आणिकांचे परी तोही एक शरीरी अशेषा अशेषी व्यापारी वर्ततु दिसे एरवी आणि आणिकांचे परी तोही एक शरीरी अशेषी व्यापारी वर्ततु दिसे एरवी otherwise आणिकांचे परी like normal human beings तोही एक शरीरी he is also in one body who is owning up a body that I am this body. If you ask a realized person, are you this body? He'll say, yes, I am this body. In mind, he knows I am not the body. If you ask him, are you really body? Then he'll say, no. Now I understand from what standpoint you are asking. If some normal person is asking, are you body? And sannyasi or a realized person say, I am not body, it will be a foolish answer. Because the next person who is sitting next to me doesn't understand what I'm talking. Asheshihi Vyapari Vartatu, they say he is doing all the work, actions, transactions with world. Like normal person, he is a person who is having the body. But what all actions he does? Body. What all actions body does? तो ही नेत्री पाहे श्रवणी ऐकतू आहे परी तेथीचा सर्वथा नोहे नवल देखे तोही नेत्री पाहे श्रवणी ऐकतू आहे परी तेथीचा सर्वथा नोहे नवल देखे ही इज सीइंग थ्रू आईज नेत्री पाहे थ्रू आईज ही इज सीइंग श्रवणी ऐकतू आहे थ्रू इयर्स ही इज लिसनिंग परी बट ही इज नॉट the seer, not the listener. He is beyond that. Who cannot listen, who cannot see. Pariteticha sarvatha no, and this is novel astonishment. This is something great, novel, unique thing. Is what? He's seeing through eyes, but he is not seeing. He is listening, but he is not listening. Oh my God, what kind of language is this? This is how it is. Sparsha shitari jane, परिमळू सेवी घ्राणे अवसरोचित बोलणे तया हियाथी स्पर्शाशी तरी जाणे परिमळू सेवी घ्राणे अवसरोचित बोलणे तया हियाथी स्पर्शाशी तरी जाणे ही नोज द टच ही अंडरस्टँड ही फील्स गुड परिमळू सेवी घ्राणे अँड ही स्मेल्स and whenever required, whenever he is supposed to open his mouth, bolane taya hi aati. He is talking also. He is talking, touching, smelling. What about food? आहाराते स्वीकारी त्यजावे ते परिहरी निद्रेच्या अवसरे निदिजे सुखे आहाराते स्वीकारी त्यजावे ते परिहरी निद्रेच्या अवसरी निदिजे सुखे आहाराते स्वीकारी he takes food intake is there त्यजावे ते parihari what is to be excrete or given up he gives it up Nidrecha avasari, when there is a time to sleep, he sleeps. Sukhe nidije, happily he sleeps. Apuleni इच्छावसे, आपुलेनी इच्छावशे, तो हिगा चालतू दिसे, पै सकळ कर्मायसे रहाटे कीर. आपुलेनी इच्छावसे वशे, तो हिगा चालतू दिसे, पै सकळ कर्मायसे रहाटे कीर. So out of his own desire he's moving. Chalatu, they say is walking. Let us say walking or moving, doing all sorts of action. पै सकळ कर्म ऐसे रहाटे कीर. Rahate, he observes, he enacts all the karmas. Not only what all things mentioned, all the karma, even thinking. Thinking is also a one kind of action. He does everything. हे सांगो काय एक एक देखे श्वासादिक आणि निमिषोन्निमिष आदि करुणी. हे सांगो काही एकैक देखे श्वासादिक आणि निमिषोन्निमिष आदि करुणी. हे सांगो काय, what all one thing I should point it out. देखे, see, श्वासादिक, the breathing he is doing. Ani nimishon opening and closing of eyes. Adi karo ni, etc. All the things he is doing. Wow. पार्थातयाच्या ठाई हे आगवेची आथी नाही आथी पाही परितो करता नवे काही प्रतीती बळे. पार्थातयाच्या ठाई हे आघवेची आथी पाही परितो करता नव्हे काही प्रतीती बळे. तयाच्या ठाई, इन हिम. आघवेची आथी पाही, ऑल ऍक्शन्स आर इन हिम. परितो करता नवे, बट ही इज नॉट द डूअर. प्रतीती बळे, बिकॉज ऑफ द रियलायझेशन. So all actions are in him, but he is not there in that actions. जय भ्रांती सेजे सुतला तै स्वप्न सुखे भूतला मग तो ज्ञानोदय चैला म्हणोनिया. जय भ्रांती सेजे सुतला तै स्वप्न सुखे भूतला मग तो ज्ञानोदय चैला म्हणोनिया. Someone is sleeping on a bed and he is having a dreadful dream, nightmare. Then, when he is sleeping and when he is in that dream, he experiences all the sorrows, joys, different experiences. But when he gets up, all the sorrows which he was experiencing in sleep or in dream, everything disappears. Like that, one who is sleeping in this delusion, I am body, this world is real. In this delusion, if someone is sleeping, he will have all nightmare, dreadful things. Magato jnanodai chela. But once the knowledge dawns, I am not this body, this world is not real, then he is awake and there are no more problems regarding anything. So, this is how the very beautiful portion. This fifth chapter is, actually underrated. It's very good, but no one pays much attention. आनंद अद्वय नित्य निरामय. आनंद अद्वय नित्य निरामय. जे का निज ध्येय योगियांचे. जे का निज ध्येय योगियांचे. ते हे समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी. ते हे समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी. पहा भीमातीरी विठ्ठल रूप. पहा भीमातीरी विठ्ठल रूप. ते हे समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी ते हे समचरण पुराणासी वाड श्रुती नेणती पार पुराणासी वाड श्रुती नेणती पार ते झाले साकार पुंडलिका ते झाले साकार पुंडलिका ते हे समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी ते हे समचरण पहा भीमा तिरी विठ्ठल रूप पहा भीमा तिरी विठ्ठल रूप ते हे समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी. हम्म. तुका म्हणे जाते सनकादिक ध्यात तुका म्हणे जाते सनकादिक ध्यात ते अमुचे कुळदैवत पांडुरंग ते आमुचे कुळदैवत पांडुरंग ते समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी पहा भीमा तीरी विठ्ठल रूप पहा भीमा तीरी विठ्ठल रूप ते समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी ते समचरण साजिरे विटेवरी. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदारे विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.